So, hello everyone, and today we'll see the Zöllner illusion. So, as seen in the previous video, you have those lines there, which looks like they are converging into a point, but it's because you have those little lines, which are tilt at 45 degrees, I can see it. And that's why you don't see them as parallel, but they are parallel. So, again, it will be really easy. So, Shift A. Easy. Plane. View. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Enable that so that it snaps to the grid. Actually, let's say 10. SX. Let's say 0.2, why not? Let's rotate, control, and rotate it at 45 degrees. Yes, that's it. So now, Control R, use the mouse wheel to put more loops. This way. So E to extrude. Let's take this one. We are good. Now select all those ones. Okay, now Control Z, sorry. Okay. Alt Shift to select all edges on those sides, so Z you can see better. Select checker deselect. Okay, it works only on one side, so let's do one side first. Checker deselect. Here we go. E to extrude again. Select all those one again. Alt Shift. Checker deselect. The solid. They were more spaced, so select that, shift, one by one. Oops. There you go. So we want an array a bit too far, so okay, like that it's good. Now for that we want the opposite, I would say. So shift, put it right there. It's not even spaced. Okay. Select all of these. Actually, there is a better way. C, Shift. No, just C, sorry. So C. Yep, up, 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 up. Okay. C, Shift, deselect those ones. Try to put it closer. I mean perpendicular, you know, this one perpendicular to this one. So, no. The opposite. Select those one. Put back there and there. Okay, we have to delete those ones, sorry, because they are not right compared to those ones. So, or maybe not, maybe we can let it this way. So okay, let's bring them back there. Let's increase that. The illusions work, the illusion, sorry, works, even though it's not even spaced. I don't know what I did. It's a 0.5. It's okay. Select the camera, port visibility, and it's working. Even though those ones aren't the same alignment, unlike those ones, but it doesn't really matter, it seems. So, shader, delete that, emission, save. So, Zöllner illusion. Okay. We don't need the lamp, so select those ones. So, select everything with A, E, up, let's put it at 0.5, okay, material new, take the previous one, click there, to create a new one, put the strength at 0, so that we have something more stylized. 0.52 there. Material. And yeah, it's still working. Ah, by the way, you can select both of them at the same time with Shift. Go to edit mode and select them all, both, and you can click on material, the black one, select, so that it only selects the black parts, E again, not too much, 0.52, and you can assign to the new material. Yeah, it has a nicer look this way. Oops, sorry. Actually, let's put another. Yeah, let's put another material. Black assigned. Let's put something like you want. Oops, 0.1, of course. Back there. Assign. Now let's temper with this value. Is it as good as this one? Yeah, this one works too. Fine. Fine, fine, fine. But maybe a color, a nice color. Okay, so that's it for this video, I think. Nothing else to add. And next time we'll see the... Let me see that. Ebbinghaus illusion, which is not that interesting. I don't remember why I selected it. But as you can see, we have two orange balls which have the same size, but due to what's surrounding them, it looks like they are smaller or bigger. So we'll see that in the next video. And in the meantime, I say you goodbye. Bye.